Let's talk about GPS and GoPro Hero10 Black. Under the Preferences menu you find the Regional section. Enable GPS over here first. Then we record outdoors. Be aware that the GPS receiver needs a few minutes to acquire satellites. We either need a third-party app, or we need to run the quick app on our phone to edit the GPS data. Oh wow, look at that! They have an update for their app. No time for that right now. We go to the GoPro tab on the bottom of the screen. There we download our footage to the phone. This is going to take a while. First we need to connect to the camera Wi-Fi for the media download. All this is going to take a while. Next step over here is to select the video clips we want. I just select all. That is going to take forever. I will time-lapse this for you. Watch. 4000% faster. Clips are in the app on the phone. We can proceed to the edit. We select one, and select the pencil symbol on the bottom of the screen. That's the edit button. Scroll the buttons to the right and select the stickers. Now we are rocking, my friends. Push a sticker button once, and it displays in the upper left corner. Push the same button again, and it moves to the next spot, upper right. Push again, and it moves to the next lower right. And so on. Just watch how I do it here. When we are done, push save in the upper right corner. It's annoying that it wants to update again. As I said before, I don't have time for this now. Let's have a look at the other media files. Select this one here, and check out what the speed tab down here does. Well, this is changing the playback speed of your footage. It is not a speed sticker. This is good for slow motion, or time lapse. With the frame tab we can change the aspect ratio of our footage. That's for another video. And then we also have all those image filter tabs down here. Let us select the footage with the GPS stickers on it. We can now save this footage to the Photos folder on the phone. Optional, select the quality of the resulting render. The higher the quality, the longer this will take. I sped this up for you. It takes a long time to render. How fast is your phone with 4K 60 footage? Once it has been saved, we can copy it to our desktop or laptop computer. It will be easier to cut and edit the footage there. Let's take a look at the final product.
So another short one. Short is always good, huh? Okay. Let's see where we're going. We don't want to wipe out. What do we have? Garbage here. Look at that. What is that? I was interested to know. Oh, there's somebody walking there with a dog. It is so cold, you have no idea. Wow. So, nice little ride here with my hosier tire here for the winter. That was 3 minutes 33, and it is cold over here.